welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you are new, and today is another bonus video. Woo! I will still have my video come out tomorrow on Thursday as well, because today I'm recording this. I recorded me actually cleaning my fridge yesterday, but today is Wednesday that I'm doing the voiceover because I lost it. You guys know how that is. But yes, I'm cleaning out my fridge today, and I'm super, super excited for this video because not only is it a bonus video, it's also a collab video. And it is in collab with just Missy. I have done a collab with her before, so some of you guys may know her. If you don't, please go check out her channel because you guys are going to love her. And I'm not only saying that because she's one of my best friends. I am saying that because she truly does have a great channel, and YouTube is how I found her. So go check her out. She does a lot of the same kind of stuff as me. She has cleaning motivation. She has a lot of recipes. She definitely does more cooking than me. So if that's something you're interested in, go check her out. She also has another channel, which if I don't forget, I'll also link that channel in my description box too. It's for like her hiking and stuff like that. I am going to put in a screenshot right here or a short video showing her channel so you guys can get an idea of the kind of stuff that she does have. But she's amazing, guys. Go check her out. She's also going to be cleaning out her fridge today too. That's actually why I asked her to collab with me, because I heard in her last video that's what she was going to be doing, and that's also what I'm doing. So I figured we could do it together. So right here, this is where I'm going to place all of her information and stuff in just 1 second, and then we're going to get into the video. Alright guys, let's go. This is her channel, and I will have all of her stuff, like I said, linked in the description box below. But as you can see, she has a lot of cleaning motivation. She has hauls. She has cooking recipes. She has little chit chats, and she goes live every Wednesday at 10 a.m. and those are always great too. It's just a bunch of girls that are so supportive of each other, and we have a great time. So next Wednesday, I'm sure she will be live. So also go and tune into that. But as you can see, she has a lot of stuff, and she's also making a lot of shorts lately too, and I just love them. But let's get into cleaning these fridges. Dun dun dun. Here it is. It is pretty bad. I'm not sure if the camera really shows how bad it is, but I'm about to go grocery shopping, so I just want to get it all nice and cleaned out, so when I put my food in there, I'm not disgusted by it, because once I took everything out, I was disgusted. And there's a certain part of my fridge that I was not able to clean, and I don't know what I'm going to do. I've been looking up everywhere if there is a way to take the glass piece out on the bottom so I can clean in between the tracks properly. Or, not tracks, but I'll show you guys later on in the video. But, I don't know. We'll have to see. But, let's get into cleaning it.
Turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and our tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and the worn out sneakers, when we were fine but the complications. Those were the days in our tomboy t-shirts.
So I got everything cleaned out, and I know it didn't look bad at first, but when you actually see all the nasty junk and gook that's in here. That's a Play-Doh heart from my daughter. She was seeing if it would freeze. But that shelf is what I cannot get any of that stuff out. And I believe it's Coca-Cola. I think there was a pop in the back of the fridge one day because I remember cleaning it off the back and it somehow froze and exploded. Well, now it's stuck in that glass and I can't get it out. So, but this is what it looks like, and now we're going to get into cleaning everything and putting everything back in. And these are the containers from the doors. I did not record me cleaning those because my pipes actually froze this day, so it was a pain in the butt and I had to wait a while before I was able to clean them, but everything else you'll see.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I left things unsaid, and you cannot forget how my mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them. lines we laid down. It's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it is tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I'll just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to me? Close your eyes and we'll be free.
I do want to find some containers to better organize my condiments and stuff, because I don't just like them on the door. I do organize it, like the bottom shelf is more accessible to the kids, so I put stuff they use down there a lot. But I did have some containers that I wanted to use in my fridge, but I ended up using them in the bathroom, and I really like them in there, so I think I'm going to go ahead and order some more of those. I have to look at what company sent me those, but I absolutely love them, so I'm gonna order some more of those, I think, for my fridge. But I'm just restocking it, and I'm sure I'll be doing this again after I go grocery shopping, because I'll be getting more stuff, and I threw some stuff away that didn't need to be in there, so I guess I kind of decluttered my fridge too. So there's another thing for my decluttering series, as I was saying. But alright, I'm just gonna stop talking because I feel like I'm talking your ear off throughout this whole video.
Time is a riddle, little by little, day by day, I'm caught in the middle of a spinning wheel where all I feel is the ice getting thinner. Step by step, day by day, I'm fighting a winner. Pushed around, I'm nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong? And all I do comes out wrong. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground when I back down each time? Time is a struggle, little by little, day by day, I'm trying to juggle. Losing track, no turning back, I'm running through fire. Step by step, day by day, burning the wire. Pushed around, nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong when all I do comes out wrong? I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground when I back down each time? As the days go by, I keep wondering why the struggle never ends. In this endless fight.
If you guys are still here watching, thank you so much. You are the best, and I appreciate you more than you will ever know. And just a reminder, please go check out Missy from Just Missy. All of her stuff will be linked in my description box below. And this is where we're at with the fridge. I do have to go grocery shopping, so it will be getting switched up a little bit, but at this moment, this is where we are at. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you motivation to get something done that you needed. And if it did, please let me know what you got done in the comments down below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye y'all.